Marathwada Accelerator for Growth and Incubation Council MAGIC, which is India's first regional industry association-led sector-agnostic incubation center, originated from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Aurangabad, and now has a footprint all across India. We are supporting startups across various domains and startups which are promoted by students or even senior entrepreneurs. MAGIC is delighted to partner with Machine Maker for the upcoming event which is happening at Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar on 22nd March, Manufacturing Maestros, which is indeed an important initiative of Machine Maker for highlighting the gems in manufacturing, that too in precision manufacturing from this region.